Why you recording?
So you can see some fireworks, bro.
Oh shit.
Yeah. Oh, there it is. Yeah, I see the smoke. Oh no, that was a cloud. No, I'm stupid.
It's not a cloud, you dumbass. It's smoke.
It is?
Shit.
Is that
Oh,
smoke?
come on, send another one out there.
Show me.
Come on.
I don't think one was supposed to be in something like that.
Yeah, they got rid of that U.S. bank too.
Take
Your head, Matthew. That used to be a U.S. bank. Oh god. Yeah, you're right. They are Trump's. Oh, there you go. Look.
Yeah, I saw that.
Yeah. Yeah.
Beautiful, beautiful.
First firework I've seen in 7 minutes.
Yeah, it took like so long for us to see, like, finally see one. I saw one from the corner of my eye, and those other ones from when we were on the freeway.
You can see if you go to Target.
You want to die today?
Dad, you know what? I was pulling to. Don't pull into the opposite parking lot. Brandon, smart and fine little bank that you can walk. Don't make Grandpa go in that little bank.
It's going to be hard for you to get into that.
Bro, where is that one?
All these people are doing it for the fireworks. So I'll drop you off. And then I'm going to take.
One of my friends off my phone for an hour. I don't know.
Dude. It's so cold. Yeah, that's... Okay.
It's funny, it's like it's summer, but it's like 60 degrees.
Oh, gosh.
What was that, baby?
It's funny that summer, it's like, but it's like 60 degrees.
Right, I know.
It's
Well,
cold summer.
it's
hot still.
It's gonna get. But you know what's happened? That when. Yeah.
Here, dude. It's,
Oh, there's one right there.
you may have to get out and walk, man.
I know.
You know, maybe turn. You know, maybe turn on.
You mean turn on the.
Turn on Stearns.
On
Yeah.
Stearns,
'Cause I don't know.
It says no turning this way.
Oh, then
Yeah,
then
they
They
turn.
blocked the whole street off.
Yeah, exactly.
Wait, they're having a parade?
Huh?
No way.
What?
No,
Oh.
you can't turn on Stearns.
Then but you
I
know,
don't
you
know
can
if you
turn.
can even get into. No, it's all blocked.
Even Oh, okay. Keep going
Are you
straight.
serious?
Yeah, I'm gonna have to let you off.
But you have to be. Can I just turn here, Dad? Right here.
Go where, Susan?
Right here, Dad. Look.
Right here.
Yeah.
Here.
Well, I'm not parking, so I'm just
Yeah,
gonna
there's
drop
hella
you
people.
off. Yeah.
Dang.
What I'll
Alright.
do is.
Just check me off right here.
No, not in the middle of the street. There you go.
Bruh. It just sounds
Do you
like.
want to sit in
No,
front?
you don't. It's not even close.
Okay, yeah.
Might want to just drop me off here, bro.
Yeah,
Stop.
go ahead.
Stop.
Go ahead.
Thanks.
You got everything?
Yep.
You got your phone? I hope he has his phone.
Bro.
You want me to drive, Dad?
He gave you a signal.
I,
Grandpa, he gave you a
Dad,
signal.
you want me to drive?
What? No, Susan, I can drive. Yeah.
What are we doing now?
We're gonna get back on the road and go home.
Okay.
Be careful, boy.
Mm. Dang.
Okay, be real careful. People are just jumping in front
Dad, be
of you.
careful. Oh my God, you can hit
I
this.
know.
I swear to God, we're gonna die.
Relax, Mom. We won't die. We will live forever.
You're a bad driver at night, too.
So you guys gonna come to my house or you wanna go to Grandpa's house?
Grandpa's.
Grandpa's.
Okay. Can you drop them off? Do you want to drop them off first, Dad, or do you want to drop them off?
I'll,
That's off.
I'll drop you off.
Yeah, awesome.
They want to get dropped off first.
They want to what?
They want to get dropped off first.
Oh, okay.
Whoa.
I'll tell you on your side.
Sure. Why are you still recording?